Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Sir Mohsin. I welcome you with another lecture. So dear students, this is from your section grammar lesson number 3, personal pronoun, possessive pronoun and adjectives. So let's get started. Dear students, first of all you need to see the chart I have pasted on your screen. As you can see, this is a relative pronoun chart and this is a pronoun chart. So as you can see in your screen, so first we have to see person, subjective personal pronoun, objective personal pronoun, possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. So this is a chart. As you can see, first singular I and second singular you and third singular male we use he and third singular female we use she and third singular things we use it and first plural we use we and second person plural we use you and third person plural we use they. And objective personal pronoun, as you can see, I, if we use I subjective, so we use object me. If we use subject you, so you is also the object. If we use subject he, so object of he is him. If we use subject she, so object of she is her. If we use subject it, so object is also it. So if we use subject we, so object is us. If we use subject you, so subject remains you. If we use subject they, so object is them. So possessive pronoun, as you can see, mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. And possessive adjective, mine, yours, his, her, its, our, your, theirs. So for your further information, let's go to do another slide. Dear students, personal pronoun may be the subject or the object of a sentence. So it can be used as a subject or it can be used as an object. The first heading is personal pronoun as a subject. So here are some examples. I read a book daily. So I is the subject in this sentence. He has some papers. So he is a subject. She took a nice papers. So she is the subject. You are a good boy. So you is the subject. We are friends. So we is subject. They lead a happy life. So they is subject. It is the most difficult job. So in this sentence, it is subject. So these all are subjects in these sentences. Now let's go to another slide. So dear students, as you can see, personal pronoun I, you, he and she and we refer mainly to the people. But the personal pronoun, it generally refers to the noun, human living creatures, non-living things, places, events and even abstract ideas. So the personal pronoun they in its various forms may refer to both people and things. Personal pronoun change in form according to their functions. So personal pronoun I, you and she we use for people, but it can be used for human and non-living thing as well. So there is another subject they. We can use they for non-living thing and for living thing as well. Okay, so let's go further. Dear students, this is another heading. As you can see, personal pronoun as an object. So here are some examples. He gives me a pen. So me is an object. Alia has to talk to her. So her is an object. I met them yesterday. So them is object. You called us on Sunday. So us is an object. The teacher punished him daily. So him is an object. They broke it. So it is an object. I invited you for the program. So you is an object. So all these are objects in these sentences. Okay, so let's go further. Dear students, before doing the home assignment, you have to read and you have to listen this lecture again and again so that you can understand this lesson very easily. After that, after reading, after watching this video and after reading your page number 132, you have to solve the exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4, page number 132 to page 134. Okay dear students, inshallah I will see you with another lecture very soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.